Hello folks, Russell Shor here from the Shor Report, and this is just a very quick presentation on the 23rd of April 2015 with regards to the JSE All Share Index. What you can see here, we've got a reference peak and a reference trough. Following that, we've got higher peaks, higher troughs, higher peaks. That is a definition of an uptrend. We are in a bull market, folks. When we're in a bull market, you're meant to be invested in the market. Very, very interesting. Taking a look at this chart, in the very top chart, we see the JSE overall. Underneath that, I have actually done a price comparative versus the iShares Emerging Markets ETF that's traded in the USA. And you can see that since 2012, the JSE All Share has been outperforming by a fair amount, which is quite surprising. You'd expect the All Share to be subject to the forces that govern emerging markets, but clearly there is an outperformance here by the JSE overall. What's even stranger is that on the next chart, I've taken a look at the price comparative of the JSE versus the S&P 500, and you can see that we've actually moved pretty much laterally with the S&P 500. In other words, there hasn't been any outperformance or any underperformance besides very, very sort of odd sparks here and there. So the theory is that we are linked to the S&P 500. This might be because we are both in rate hike environments. Whether the US can actually raise rates at the moment is being debated by the hawks and the doves. It's very much, Janet Yellen from the Federal Reserve is very much data dependent, and the data from the first quarter out of the US has been a bit weak. So there's a debate going there. Anyway, that's today's presentation, and I hope to speak to you guys soon. Thanks very much. Cheers.